The most exciting thing about the CCC collaboration is its scope, and it includes organizations from all across the country coming together to make sure that patients and families can be seen anywhere. So as a nurse, I would have the right information for my patients at the right time so I can deliver the right care. The nurses can particularly focus on providing personalized and customized care for the patients and their families. Data sharing and the consortium's activities will enable the nurses to have information at their fingertips so they can make informed decisions about the care of their patients. It really is the right thing to do.